everyone to another video of the Forex crypto market. I had to make another one right now because what I see something very interesting. So whoever's looking at or trading Bitcoin right now, and as you've seen that Bitcoin has been going up for the past week to 2 weeks, as you can see right here. And with Bitcoin going up, it's taken all these other altcoins up, like XRP USD, Shiba USD, Dogecoin, ETH USD. The thing is here right now, you guys think that, yeah, we're gonna have an up movement. A lot of people have been hearing saying, yeah, it's gonna go up to 25,000. Yeah, it's just underneath. Yeah, it could tip up, but at this present time, I'm thinking this could be a bull trap. At this present time, I don't think it's going further than 25,000, to be honest. The next level people are saying that it's going to go to 30,000. To be honest, I can't see that happening. Now, in my technical analysis here, I have everything marked up that I need. Right now, we had some movement to the downside for a few days, and this is on the back of some good report that came in last week with interest rates. If you guys saw, it was like up to 2.5 it was raised to, so it wasn't too much at all. However, on the back of that, we had some good news for the dollar, and that good news has made Bitcoin USD move down, and you could see how it's moved down today and throughout the weekend. I'm anticipating a downward movement, believe it or not, to this level here, and then potentially going up. Yeah, so if it breaks my 16,000 level, this thing potentially I see going down to around, I would say, 10,000 easily. So if I just move a marker from here, yeah, that's the next level here. If I go in the weekly time chart for Bitcoin, this is what you're seeing, because it's more clear on the weekly time chart. We could see last time it was on a low level before 16,000. It was a resistant. It broke through the resistant level around 23rd of November 2020. It went up to a high point of around 66,000, and that was around 27th of November 2021. And then we saw a massive down movement and back down to this level, which was turned to support level, was resistance, as you could see here. Now, I'm anticipating, with all this news coming out that, yeah, we're in a recession or whatever, this year I could see the recession still lasting until the end of the year, but I anticipate for a move to come down and then slowly go back up. But we could have some down movements, up movements, down movements, very slowly. But throughout, I would say probably through March, April, then I'll expect an up movement and down movement. But if that doesn't happen, you got to do your own analysis. I'm not a financial advisor, but if this breaks this level, guys, it's going to 10,000, this level at least. I can't see it going any lower, to be honest, because if it goes lower, that's it, Bitcoin's gone. The lowest is 7,000, but I can't see that at all. I could definitely see it either holding this level here or going to £10,000 or $10,000. Yeah, so this is what, guys, I want you to see. So please subscribe and just keep up to date with me on this video. I make other videos as well. Previous video I made about XRP USD. If you go back in, you could see it on my channel, and I just give clear analysis and what I see here. So this is what I see happening right here. But what I like to do, I like to correlate with the dollar, because the dollar moves opposite, and the dollar has been going up since last week on some good report it had on Friday with the jobs report. So just going into Bitcoin now, we have a 50 EMA on the weekly. You can see it's just under my 50 EMA, and usually that's a strong EMA. And you can see back May 2020, it was consistently going over this green line, which is a 50 EMA, and here's my 20 EMA and 200 EMA. Those are strong indicators of an up movement. As long as price is over these EMAs, it's bullish. But as you can see here, it broke down through the EMAs, 50 EMA, 20 EMA, and that was around 16th of May last year, 2022, and then it came all the way down here. So I believe from here it was just basically going into a recession here, and then it stabilized around this level here, around 16,000. However, we got a breakup, which I believe is to be honest, a bull trap. As I've drawn a line right here, down here on the weekly, we're still under the bearish wave. Yeah, wave down. However, we've come up a little bit, but even if it goes up a little bit, I can't see it passing my 200 EMA, which is a red line, and the 50 EMA is right above it. To be honest, I could see it coming back down before going back up if it is going to go back up. But I'm prepared anyway, so I hope you guys are prepared. So that's Bitcoin. So guys, be careful. You do your own analysis and just be careful for this level and this level. Yeah. So I'm just going to quickly go into the dollar because I like to look at the dollar as well. And as you can see here, straight clearly, very clear, you could see the dollar has been going up. Yeah, while Bitcoin was going down over the past week, the dollar has been very strong. Yeah, and now the dollar's broken down. Yeah, and since its breakdown here, of course you could see that Bitcoin, so I just flick it over, you can see that was going up. See, very clear. Now DXY is starting to go back up. As you could see here, my line that I've drawn up here, yeah, around 101, this level here was a resistant level. Yeah, and it didn't go past this level. It kept as a resistant level. So when in doubt, always zoom out. And now it's a support level here. See, anytime it breaks a resistance, it breaks past it, it usually goes to a support level here. Yeah, and then it broke up, and now it's come back down, and you could see a bullish weekly candle. So as long as we get these bullish weekly candles, then potentially I could see it going up to around this point. And the reason why I say this point is because I use Fibonacci tool. So I get my Fibonacci, I usually do it from the high to the low, and I'll go to the bottom of where the weekly stopped around my support level here. And yeah, you could see that my 61.71 is here, and I usually like to look at these levels here, because these levels here on the Fibonacci, if you want to look into it, are strong levels. So once it bounces around this level here and it starts to get weak, and I see these red candles coming down, that thing's going to come down. And as that thing comes down, as DXY, as the dollar comes down, then I expect Bitcoin to go up. Yeah, I expect Bitcoin to go up. There we go. Yeah, so once Bitcoin probably goes around this level, then it'll be time for the dollar to come down. So I'm watching both of them anyway, so that's what I'm doing, watching both of them. So you guys, this is what I want to show you, just a quick video of what I see, very plain. So any of you guys that trade, you know what I'm talking about. Any of you new people that are new to trading, this is something, just as you know, other traders and new traders, this is something that you got to do your own research, you know, because I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just showing something that I'm quite excited about, because I want, you know, crypto to go back down, so you get better positions, buying positions. So potentially this is going to go up. So anyway, just remember this, what I said, and we'll see what happens. But anyway, tune in, please subscribe, and I'll be going through all the movements that I see each and every day and week. So keep tuned, please subscribe, and if you don't, you're gonna miss out on what I'm seeing here. And yeah, it's looking really shaky for Bitcoin right now. And you know that Bitcoin will usually drag all the other coins, as long as it's got USD in it, all the way down. So I hope you've enjoyed my video, and I will see you on the next one. Please subscribe. See you later. Bye.